Hi students, now I am going to explain the concept of functions. It is unit 2 concept. Already we discussed the principle of inclusion and exclusion, which is a part of set theory. Then its continuation, relations, partial ordered relations, equivalence relations, and then already covered the Hasse diagram concept. Right? Now I am going to start the concept of functions. What is meant by a function? Let x and y be any two sets a relation f from x to y is said to be a function if for every a belongs to x, here this x is domain set, there exists a unique y belongs to y is called codomain, such that f of a is equal to y. Right? So here x and y be any two sets. Relation f from x to y is said to be a function if for every a belongs to x in the domain set, there exists a unique y belongs to y in the codomain set such that f of a equal to y, then f is called a function. If we consider example of a function, let x is equal to set 1, 2, 3, y is equal to set a comma b, and f is a function from x to y. F of 1 is defined as a, f of 2 is defined as b, f of 3 is also defined as b, which can be represented using the diagrams. F is a function from x to y, x consisting of 3 elements 1, 2, 3 and y consisting of 2 elements a and b. Here 1 mapped to a, 2 and 3 both are mapped to element b. So for each y belongs to y, for every element of set y, there exists a unique element in set x such that f of a is equal to y, therefore it is a function. Now we see another example. So let x is equal to set 1, 2, 3, y is equal to set a comma b. Define f from a to x to y as f of 1 is equal to a, f of 2 is equal to b. Now, f is not a function because, just we see, we represent it in terms of a diagram. F is a relation from x to y, x consisting of 3 elements 1, 2, 3 and y consisting of 2 elements a and b. 1 mapped to a, 2 mapped to b. Here our concept is for each a belongs to x. Here 3 belongs to x. But there exists a unique y belongs to y, but f of 3 is not defined. Right? Therefore, f is not a function because there exists 3 belongs to x in the domain set. For this 3, there is no image in the codomain, therefore f is not a function. Now next we will see the concept of one-one function. a function f from x to y is said to be 1, 1. The other name of 1, 1 function is also we call it as injective function. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then x1 is equal to x2. That is, different elements of domain set must map to different images or different elements in the codomain. That is, whenever x1 not equal to x2, it must follow f of x1 not equal to f of x2, right? So, whenever to solve the problems we use this condition. If f of x1 equal to f of x2, then x1 is equal to x2, then we say that f is 1, 1 function or injective function, right? We can also say different elements of domain must map to different elements in the codomain. Then we say that f is 1, 1 function. Example, let x is equal to set p, q, r, y is equal to set 1, 2, 3. If f of p is equal to 1, f of q is equal to 2, f of r is equal to 3. We can represent it in the form of diagonally, which is one is x set, second one is y set. F is mapping from x to y, right? So, x consisting of elements p, q, r, y consisting of elements 1, 2, 3. If p mapped to 1, q mapped to 2, r mapped to 3, that is, different elements of domain are mapped to different elements in the codomain. Different elements of domain have different images in the codomain. Therefore, f is 1, 1 function. Right? If you see another example, let x is equal to, same example, but here we change the representation p, q, r. Y is equal to set 1, 2, 3. F of p is equal to 1. F of q is equal to 2. F of r is also equal to 2. Right? So, that means that here 3 elements are there, 1, 2, 3. In the codomain set y. In the domain set x, which consisting of 3 elements p, q, r, p mapped to 1, q mapped to 2, r also mapped to 2, right? This is the function f. Here, every element of domain set have unique image in the codomain. Therefore, f is a function. But coming to 1, 1 case, p mapped to 1, q, r are different elements of the domain set. These are mapped to single element in the codomain. That means different elements of domain set are not having different images in the codomain set. Therefore, it is not a 1, 1 function. So, here f is a function but not 1, 1 function. Right? Suppose if we take another example, let f from set of integers z to z defined as f of x is equal to 3x. For every x belongs to z, it is the domain set. To prove that it is 1-1 function, we use the condition if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then x1 is equal to x2. So let us take it as f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Assume this one, right? As per the definition of f of x1 is 3x1, f of x2 is 3x2. So both sides 3 gets cancelled. We will get x1 is equal to x2. That is, whenever f of x1 is equal to f of x2, we get x1 is equal to x2 implies f is 1-1 function, right? So if the function is defined using the definition, we need to prove like this. If the function is defined for a finite sets like this using the set builder form, then we have to use this diagram and we can check whether f is 1-1 or not, right? In this third example, f is 1-1 function. Next, we see the definition of onto function. Let f from x to y be a function f is said to be onto function if for each element of y, there exists a image, pre-image x belongs to x such that f of x is equal to y. Otherwise, we can say that range of f is equal to codomain set y. Then we say that f is onto or f is surjective mapping or surjection. You see the example. Let x is equal to set ABC, y is equal to set 1, 2. Now define f from x to y as f of a equal to 1, f of b equal to 2, f of c is also equal to 2. We represent this using diagram. F is a function from x to y. X consisting of 3 elements a, b, c. Y consisting of 2 elements 1, 2. So a mapped to 1, b and c both are mapped to 2. Here range of f is equal to set 1, 2, which is nothing but codomain set y. So because range of f is equal to codomain implies f is onto function. In other words, every element of codomain set, there exists a pre-image in the domain set, therefore f is onto function. We will see another example. Let f from R to R plus defined by f of x is equal to x square Here R is the set of real numbers and R plus is the set of positive real numbers. To check whether f is onto or not, theoretically, so we assume that let y belongs to R plus, which is the codomain set, such that f of x is equal to y. We assume like that. So what is f of x here? X square is equal to y. Implies x is equal to plus or minus y. Right? So what is y value here? Plus or minus x. Whether plus or minus this x belongs to the domain or not. So plus or minus x belongs to domain R. Right? If this element belongs to the domain, then f is onto, otherwise f is not onto. Suppose we see one example. In the set of real numbers, R plus, suppose we consider an element 9, clearly 9 is a positive real number. For this 9, it have two pre-images, one is plus 3, another one is minus 3. Like that, for every element of positive real numbers, there exists a pre-image, implies that f is onto. Initially, we have to assume like that, assume f of x is equal to y, such type of x exists. If x exists and that x value belongs to the domain, then f is onto. Next, we see the definition of bijective mapping or bijective function. Right? A function f from x to y is said to be bijective if f is 1 function, second one f is onto function. So if f satisfies both 1 and onto, then f is called bijection or bijective function. Also we can say that the sets x and y are related 1-to-1 correspondence. Right? So x is a 1-to-1 correspondence with the set y. So whenever a function f from x to y which satisfies both 1 and onto properties, then f is called bijective mapping. Right? So next one is composition of mapping. The other name of composition of mapping is product of mappings, right? So composition of mapping means let f from x to y and g from y to z be two functions Now the composition are product is defined as G circle F from X to Z, where G circle F of X is equal to G of F of X for every X belongs to set capital X, right? So here we are considering the two functions. One is F from X to Y, second one is G from Y to Z. the composition or product of functions which is defined as G circle F, which is defined from domain of F to codomain of G, right? So if we draw the diagrams, F is a function from x to y and G is a function in between y and z. Now G is a function from y to z, then G circle F, then G circle F is a function from x to z. G circle F is a function from x to z. Here the condition is whenever we define G circle F, the codomain of F is equal to domain of G. To define composition G circle F, condition is codomain of F is either equal to or codomain of F is subset of domain of G, then only the composition of mappings exist. Otherwise, composition does not exist, right? Next, we see the note. First one, if F and G are one-one functions, then G circle F is also one-one function, right? If two functions are one-one functions, then its composition is also a one-one function. If F and G are onto functions, then G circle F is also onto function. The other name of one-one function is injective function. The other name of onto function is surjective function. Next, third point. If F and G are bijective functions, then G circle F is also bijective. Right? Till now we discussed the concepts of how to define a function, then one-one function, onto function, and examples of those function one-one and onto, and also completed bijective mapping. Then composition of mappings is also completed. Next we will see the problems on these topics. Right now we will see the problems on these functions, one-one function, onto function and bijective function, and how can we calculate the composition of functions. Right, first problem, at x is equal to set 1, 2, 3 and f, g, h be functions from x to x. Both domain and codomain are same. What is x here? Which consisting of three elements 1, 2 and 3, which is given by f is equal to 1, 2. Ordered pair 1, 2 means 1 mapped to 2 under the relation f, and ordered pair 2, 3 means here the element 2 of domain f related to element 3 of codomain using the relation f. Then 3, 1 means the domain of f in which 3 mapped to 1 under the relation f. Like that here given g and h also. They ask that calculate f circle g, g circle f circle f and f circle h circle g. Now we will see how can we calculate this one. First one, f circle g. Here because f is a function from x to x, g is a function from x to x, H is also a function from x to x. So F circle G is also a function from x to x. And also G circle F is also a function from x to x, because all the domains and codomains of three functions F, G, H are same. Therefore, their composition domain and codomain are also same as x. Next, F circle F is also mapped from x to x. And finally, what is the last one? F circle H circle G is also mapped from x to x. Now we calculate each one. What is the first one? F circle G. How can we define F circle G? F circle G of x is equal to f of G of x for every x belongs to x. Right. Consider F circle G of, what are the elements of x here? X consisting of 1, 2 and 3. Now we start with first element of x, which is 1. F of G of 1. What is G of 1? In the relation G, 1 mapped to 2. So F of 2. Now in the relation F mapped to 3. 2 mapped to 3 using the relation F. So F of 2 is 3. Right? Next, what is the next element of set X? 1 completed. Next element of set is 2. So now consider F circle G of 2, which is F of G of 2. In the function G, 2 mapped to 1. So G of 2 is 1. F of 1 in F, 1 mapped to 2. So F of 1 is 2. Next, the third element of set X is 3. So F of G of 3. Under the relation G, 3 mapped to 3. So F of 3. Under the relation F, 3 mapped to 1. So F of 3 is equal to 1. Now we write F circle G is equal to set of all. This F circle G of 1 mapped to which element? We get 3. Next, F circle G of 2 is 2. So 2 comma 2. Then F circle G of 3 mapped to 1. But this is the way how to calculate the composition of functions. Here the first one completed. Now see the second one. What is the second one? G circle F. Now G circle F of x is equal to G of F of x for every x belongs to set X. So set X consisting of 3 elements 1, 2 and 3. Now start with the first element of set. G circle F of 1. It is G of F of 1. So under the relation F, 1 mapped to 2, we will get G of 2. Under the relation G, 2 mapped to 1. Next element of set X is G circle F of 2, G of F of 2. Under the relation F, 2 mapped to 3. Under the relation G, 3 mapped to 3. So G of 3 is 3. Next one, G circle F of 3. G of F of 3. So under the relation F, 3 mapped to 1. So G of 1. In relation G, in the mapping of G, G of 1 mapped to 2. So now we write it as G circle F is equal to set of all ordered pairs. First one, G circle F of 1 is equal to, how can we get the value? 1. So 1 comma 1. Next, Under the relation G circle F2 map to final value 3, then 3 map to 2. Right, this is the way to calculate G circle F. Now we see the third one. What is the third one? F circle F. How can we define this F circle F? F circle F of x is f of x for each x belongs to set x. Right, now we start with the first element. F circle f of 1 is equal to f of 1. What is f of 1? In the given function f1 mapped to 2. In the given function f2 mapped to 3. Now next one, f circle f of next element of set x is 2. So which is f of 2. So in the mapping of f2 mapped to 3, f of 3 value is 1. Next one, f circle f of 3, it is f of 3. Using the mapping f, 3 mapped to 1. So in the mapping of f, 1 mapped to 2. This is the way. Now we write the how f circle f function is defined. F circle f consisting of set of ordered pairs. This 1 mapped to 3. So first order pair 1, 3. Next ordered pair 2, 1. Next ordered pair 3, 2. Right? So it is completed. Next, coming to the F circle G, G circle F circle F completed. Next one is F circle H circle G. Now we will see the fourth one. Calculation of F circle H circle G. How can we define it? F circle H circle G of x is equal to f of h of g of x for each x belongs to set x. Right? So first we start with the first element of set x, which is 1. So consider F circle H circle G of 1 is equal to f of h of g of 1. In the mapping G, 1 mapped to 2. So which is f of h of 2. F of, in the mapping of h, 2 mapped to 2. It is f of 2. In mapping of f, 2 mapped to 3, right? Now we will calculate here. F circle, H circle, G. Second element of set x is 2. So which is f of h of g of 2. F of h of g of 2. In the mapping G, 2 mapped to 1. So f of h of 1. In the mapping H, 1 mapped to 1. So it is f of 1. In the mapping F, 1 mapped to 2. It is 2. Now coming to the next element of set x is 3. Consider this. It is f of h of g of 3. It is f of h of, what is g of 3? In the mapping G, 3 mapped to same 3. So f of h of 3. In the mapping H, 3 mapped to 1. So it is f of h of 3. So f of h of 3 is f of 1. F of 1 value is 2. Right? So now F circle H circle G of 1. 1 mapped to which element? 3. Now we write the values of F circle, G circle, H circle, G, which are mapped to set of all ordered pairs, one mapped under the relation F circle, H circle, G to 3. Next 2 mapped to 2. Then 3 also mapped to 2. Right? This is the way of calculating F circle, H circle, G, which is composition of 3 functions. Right? Here F circle, H circle, G is also a function, no doubt. Here 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. 1 mapped to 3. 2 and 3 both are mapped to 2. So, for each element of X, there exists a unique element in the codomain, implies F circle, H circle, G is also a function. Right? This is the way of calculating composition of 2 functions and composition of 3 functions. Now we will see the next problem. Here given that f of x is equal to x plus 2 and g of x equal to x minus 2, h of x is equal to 3x, where R is the set of real numbers, find G circle F and F circle G circle H. Right? In the previous problem, that is in problem 1, clearly mentioned the functions using the ordered pairs. But here given f of x and g of x and also h of x, in terms of definition, right? In this case, now first one, calculation of G circle F. How can we define G circle F? So, G circle F of x is equal to G of f of x for every x belongs to R, because here R is the domain. So, consider G circle f of x, which is equal to G of f of x. F of x is defined as x plus 2. So, G of x plus 2. Right. If G of x is there, this x is mapped to that same x minus 2. Here inside the bracket x plus 2 is there. We need to write x plus 2 element minus 2, which is equal to x. Therefore, we can say that G circle F is also a function from R to R, where that means which is defined as G circle F of x is equal to x for every x belongs to R. Right? So, this is completed. Next, coming to the second part, which is F circle, G circle, H. Now, we will see here. Calculation of F circle, G circle, H. Now, consider F circle, G circle, H of x, which is defined as f of g of h of x. F of g of h of x is defined as 3x, which is equal to f of g of x is defined as x minus 2. This x minus 2, here in the place of x we have 3x. So, 3x, that value minus 2. Now, again f of x is equal to the same x plus 2. Here inside the bracket we have 3x minus 2, the value plus 2, which is equal to 3x. Therefore, F circle, G circle, H is a function from R to R, which is defined as where F circle, G circle, H of x is equal to 3x for every x belongs to domain set R. This is the way of calculating the composition of functions if functions are given in terms of ordered pairs. If the functions are defined using the definition, we can calculate like this.